Hi loves, today let's make 1-minute keto coconut pandan cake. This is so coconut and I love it. If you like pandan, you're gonna love this. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. In a mixing bowl, put 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut pandan extract, 1/2 tablespoon of sweetener, and then mix it until well combined. Now add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to remove the eggy taste of the cake, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder to make it fluffier. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, then mix it until well combined. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut cream and then mix it. Now add 1 tablespoon of hot water and then mix it again. So we don't need a oil on this because the coconut cream is oily already. Now using a ramekins, transfer the cake butter and microwave it for 1 up to 2 minutes. So our keto pandan cake is ready. So just garnish it with some powdered sweetener or coconut jam if you want, if you have keto friendly or sugar free syrup, it's much better. So if you like the coconut pandan flavor, you're gonna love this recipe. So I will put on the description box of the ingredients of it. So that's it. Thank you and God bless. Love you all.